guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this really cool text effect on CapCut PC. Go to text and I'm just going to type in food, for instance, and I'm going to add different videos for each of the letters. If I can just select a font for this. Okay, there we go. Alright, then I'm going to place it on top of a black stock video. You can extend it by freeze framing it, by the way. If you didn't know, right click, create compound clip. And I'm just going to type in for foods here. And I am going to add in a video, so I'm going to add this one. Select your text, go to blend mode, and select the darken one. I'm also going to select the video and I'm going to make it a little bit smaller, and I'm going to place that for the F. Okay. Select mask and select the horizontal one. And you're going to place that there. And then for the O, I'm going to add in this video. And I'm going to place that on the O one. And then I'll select this one. And I'm going to place it underneath the other O, or I'm going to place it on the D actually. If you want, you can also use the mirror one, but make sure you rotate it. And lastly, I'll just use this one for the O. Oh, I can't use that one. I'll use this one. And I'm just going to use the mirror one for that one. And that is pretty much it. Really, it is super simple, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!